I've been hearing a lot about Amazon EBS. Do you know what it is?
Amazon EBS, or Elastic Block Store, is like a virtual hard drive you can use with your Amazon EC2 instances.
Why would I use it instead of the hard drive on my server?
It is great because it allows you to keep your data separate from your computing instance. It persists independently, and you can attach it to your instances when needed. After a volume is attached to a computing instance, you can use it like any other physical hard drive and place any kind of file system on it. When you use Amazon EBS to store your data, if a computing instance fails, you don't have to worry about losing your data because it isn't housed on the instance. It's housed on your block storage volume.
How does it work?
Amazon EBS volumes can be between 1 gigabyte and 1 terabyte in size. They are created in a particular availability zone, or AZ, which is a distinct physical location that contains computing resources, similar to a data center. When you create an Amazon EBS volume in an AZ, it is automatically replicated within that zone to prevent data loss due to failure of any single hardware component. An Amazon EBS volume can only be attached to one instance at a time, but many volumes can be attached to a single instance. When you do, it will appear as a mounted device, and the instance can interact with it, similar to any hard drive or other storage device. So you can attach multiple volumes and stripe your data across them for increased input, output, and throughput performance. This is particularly helpful for database-intensive applications that frequently encounter many random reads and writes across the dataset.
Can you give me an example of how I would use it?
Sure. Here's a scenario. The web application you created is becoming a huge hit and is serving more than 2 million pages per day, as well as processing 4 million transactions every month. With all of this demand, you want to make sure that you have great performance for all of your visitors. You can use Amazon EBS volumes, and since the workload is I/O intensive, you can leverage provisioned IOPS to significantly reduce latency and improve your visitors' experience on your site.
Sounds like EBS will be able to scale as my site grows. How hard is it to start using?
It's easy. Let me show you how to create an EBS volume and attach it to an already running EC2 instance. To get started, log into the AWS Management Console. Because Amazon EBS volumes are tied to Amazon EC2 instances, you will have to click on EC2 from the console dashboard to start working with them. Click Volumes under the Elastic Block Store menu to go to the EBS control panel. Click Create Volume. Choose Standard. Click Yes, Create. Now you have a new volume ready. Even though Amazon EBS volumes exist independently, their main purpose is to be used with an Amazon EC2 instance like a hard drive. Next, we'll attach our newly created volume to an Amazon EC2 instance. In the EBS dashboard, you should now see your new volume. Once its status is available, right-click it and choose Attach Volume. Select the instance you want to attach the volume to. Click Yes, Attach. We've connected an EBS volume to an instance. Now we'll create a snapshot of our new volume. Creating a snapshot replicates the data in the volume. It also allows you to change the properties of the volume to enable features like provisioned IOPS. Right-click the volume you created and click Force Detach. In production, you would want to shut down your Amazon EC2 instances first, but for the purposes of this demo, we'll force detach to focus more on other features. Click Yes, Force. Right-click the volume again and choose Create Snapshot. Ensure the volume matches the volume you created. For the description, input EBS Volume Snapshot. Click Yes, Create. Go to Snapshots under the Elastic Block Store menu to view your newly created snapshot. Here, you will increase the volume size and enable provisioned IOPS for increased performance. Click Create Volume. Select Provisioned IOPS. Choose 8 GB for the size. Select the same AZ that your EC2 instance is running in. Click Yes, Create. Click Volumes under the Elastic Block Store menu to find your newly created high-performance drive.
Okay, that seems easy. What else can I do with Amazon EBS?
Amazon hosts a variety of public data sets, such as the Human Genome Project, U.S. Census data, transportation statistics, and more that anyone can access for free. Previously, large data sets required hours or days to locate, download, customize, and analyze. Now, you can easily download these data sets onto an Amazon EBS volume and start working with the data within minutes. You can use the data for research or in your own application.
Cool. How do I try?
Go to run.quicklabs.com to try it out with a free self-paced lab.